there are no follow-ups. So we're trying to get to as many questions from as many people as possible because so many folks have been here for a long time trying to get these questions.
That's why I'd like to ask a question and not make a speech. Okay, excuse me, if you would be quiet, maybe somebody would answer a question. Okay. My name is Cynthia Simon, and my son has Crohn's disease. Because he was laid off from his job, he went without medication or doctor's care for 5 months until he found another job. And I think that as a person who's going on Medicare in about a month, the older people, we're set, we're pretty good. Medicare is a government program that is working. It's the younger people that are the younger people with young families. Now here's my point. If my son had gone out of remission and had gotten colon cancer because of his Crohn's disease, there would have been 5 people that would have had to go on government support. My son, his wife, and my 3 grandchildren. Okay? To keep him healthy, health insurance for one person is a lot cheaper than supporting the whole family when the breadwinner gets sick. So what I want to know is, what is the health care bill that's proposed going to do for young families and people that lose their insurance when they lose their job? Thank you.
Right now, they're paying 65% of the Cobra costs.